Fool Us, home of the best magicians on TV, like this one.
My name's Jack Rhodes. I'm a comedian, artist, entertainer, trickster, musician, and all-round nice lad. But magic definitely comes before everything else. Like, who wants to iron a shirt when you can pull your thumb off? I just love magic. I always find time in the day to polish my wand. Now, being a magician, you always hear the same two things. Number one, ooh, can you make the missus disappear? And number two, I can find out how you did that trick if I wanted to. It'll be on Google. Like Google has somehow secretly collected data from us without us even knowing about it. Come on, get real. So it got me thinking, what would it look like if you did have to rely on Google to be a magician? Sorry, can you just stop looking at the camera like that? It's weird. This is your intro, not an episode of The Office. Okay, sorry. Thank you very much. Penn Teller, how we doing? Right then, what would it look like if you had to rely on Google to learn some magic? Let's try it out, okay, Google.
Hi, Jack. How can I help?
I want to learn a magic trick.
You want to be a virgin?
What?
Do you have a deck of cards?
Does the Pope pray?
Okay, I found this on the web for Does the Pope Pray? Check it out.
Right, I've got the cards.
Great. Now burn them. No one wants to see another goddamn card trick, you lanky bastard. Pick up a paper bag.
Right, yep, got one.
This will be the magic sack.
Magic sack? Not the only one I've got.
Don't be a creep. Mix up the Rubik's Cube.
Right, Rubik's Cube. I've only got one of these without stickers on. I took the stickers off and forgot to put them back on.
You useless scamp.
Brilliant.
Put the Rubik's Cube in the bag.
Then what?
Pick up the stickers and show them to the audience in a magical way.
In a magical way?
The cringier the better.
Like that?
Shake the stickers. Vinegar strokes.
What?
The stickers have now disappeared.
Jesus Christ. That's good.
Check the cube in the bag.
Right.
Harry Potter, eat your heart out.
Too right. Harry Potter, eat your heart out. That's unreal. Hey Google, can you make the missus disappear?
First, you need to get a Mrs. You lonely little virgin.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Give it for Jack Rhodes! Wow! That was incredible!
Oh, thanks, mate.
So what was it like growing up? How did you learn magic?
Well, in my teenage years, all my mates were going to parties and getting girlfriends and that, and I thought, that's not for me. I don't want to get involved in that. I'll learn some magic tricks instead.
Besides magic, what puts a smile on your face?
Oh, good question. Probably reading the comments on my YouTube parodies, because that's unbelievable, that, honestly. Considering these people like watching Fool Us, they don't like getting fooled.
But you're adorable.
I know. It's not right, is it?
Yeah. All right, well, let's see if Penn and Teller know your secrets. Penn, Teller.
Well, you already know we love you. First thing I said was that's just the greatest act ever. I just love it. And that kind of comedy that's right there in the middle of self-parody coupled with an enjoyment of doing it is so hard to do. It can get smarmy so easy, and you were just perfect. I mean, your magic was wonderful, and the comedy might have been even better. They're just both top-notch. We loved every single bit of it. And now we're put in a very awkward position, and we're about to take a couple of guesses, and we are sincerely hoping we're wrong because we want to give you a trophy and we want you to come to Vegas. So here we go.
All right, let's have it.
I love some of the science before this, and I may have some of this wrong because I'm not as trained as you are. There's that whole thing about the neural network overlay that was stolen by, I think it was Dr. Daniel Kahneman's work that stole the neural network overlay. But the separation of the time from the event was just brilliant and so bold to say, you're not going to be able to notice this because your mind can't do it. No, by the way, you're not noticing it because your mind can't do it. Was just a brilliant idea, and we really liked it, and I think I probably snuck in the double talk, something that you know what I'm talking to you about. Are we close enough that you didn't fool us?
Honestly, no, I haven't got a clue what any of that meant. Not a clue.
Okay, then you fooled us. Shut up, you fooled us. You fooled us. Absolutely fooled us.
Congratulations!
Good. What a good act.
Also won a trip out to perform with Penn and Teller. So you can pick up the trophy then. Jack Rhodes! Doesn't happen often, but Penn and Teller just got fooled.